So guys, people who are using ChatGPT, they have to be very much careful. Here is the proof I have given for you. Many of you are preparing for UGC NET examination, CUET PG examination, and you think कि ChatGPT is very handy option, so I should just use this ChatGPT. But there is always a caveat, there is always a warning for this. So here I should write the, you can read it as the, here you can see that THE it should be, but I wrote he, just ignore that. So I wrote the, or is sorry, it is is, okay, it is cost output elasticity equals 1.4. This implies that, so here ChatGPT replies that an elasticity of 1.4 indicates relatively elastic relationship between cost and output. Then and again I asked, is it economies of scale? First I asked what is the meaning of cost output elasticity 1.4. Then I asked, is it economies of scale? Then this ChatGPT explains, yes, a cost output elasticity greater than 1 suggests that economy of scale, and blah blah blah. You can read it out, it is completely written, guys. I am taking a pause, you can read it out, that it is saying that it is economies of scale. And I hope you guys know what is economy of scale and what is diseconomies of scale. We have understood in the when we were doing variable, long run variables and all. Next thing, again I asked, or is it diseconomies of scale? Okay, now it's saying, okay, my mistake, I misunderstood the concept in your initial question. And now it's saying a cost output elasticity greater than actually indicates diseconomies of scale, not economies of scale. You can see that it is written here, यहाँ पे बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं आप, लिखा हुआ है. फिर डिसइकोनॉमीज स्केल का मतलब इन्होंने बता दिया है कि when an increase in production leads to more than proportional increase in cost. So here cost output elasticity is 1/4, which means cost increases faster than the output. ठीक है, तो उसको हम डिसइकोनॉमीज बोलेंगे. मीन्स डिसइकोनॉमीज का मतलब यह है, अगर आप 5% से इनपुट बढ़ा रहे हैं और आपका आउटपुट जो है लेसर देन 5% से बढ़ा है, दैट इज डिसइकोनॉमीज. और इकोनॉमीज में अगर आप 5% से आउटपुट बढ़ा रहे हैं और इनपुट बढ़ा रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग 5% ऑफ इनपुट एंड योर आउटपुट इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय मोर देन 5%, 6%, 7% और एनी अवर, दैट इज नॉन एज इकोनॉमिक स्केल. नाउ यू गाइज टेल मी, पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ ChatGPT एंड ऑल, हाउ कैन वी बिलीव देयर? So be aware when you are using ChatGPT, rely on books, rely on your friends, faculties and all, whosoever has better idea and experience. Definitely you can take the ChatGPT as an help, but don't take it as a final resort, last resort. Please comment section guys, what will be the answer? The question again I am posting here. It is given that cost output elasticity equals to 1.4. So what does this mean? Is it economies of scale or diseconomies of scale? Please comment section below. Stay tuned for the upcoming lectures and all, and you can join NviNomics course details here given below. It's all up to you, and I hope you have enjoyed this session. इस तरह के सेशन देखने के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे, एंड प्लीज़ शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो दैट्स द ब्लंडर ऑफ ChatGPT. सो गाइज बी केयरफुल. चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर.